So tonight is October the 20th, 2025. I'm in Bowling Green, Kentucky. I'm at Big Lots. The law cut off my phone, my Wi-Fi in the car, and you see this is my OnStar not working again. And my location is traveled. My information is all messed up here. So my OnStar has been cut off again. Today they traveled me electronically. It says that I went 2 hours away and I
By
didn't.
continuing, you consent to this call being recorded and monitored
So
for quality purposes.
they cut off my OnStar and
Thank you for being a valued OnStar member.
my Wi-Fi
Our advisors
is
look
not
forward to helping you. Please
working,
stay connected and the next advisor will be with you shortly.
and I don't have any Uber Eats orders coming through anymore. These are my Uber Eats orders for today.
Thanks for calling OnStar. This is Fred. How can I be of assistance?
Can you hear me at all?
Thanks for calling OnStar. This is Fred.
Can
How may I
you
be of assistance?
can you hear me?
I'm so sorry for the inconvenience. I have a lineup between your vehicle. There's any sound coming through. I'm disconnected call. Please call again if you need assistance.
All right, here we go. This is earnings activity. This is where it just says Scottsville Road. That was to the yogurt place, Firehouse Subs, and Olive Garden. This is all three that I got today. I didn't get any more, and they were only to redo locations that have been done already since last week. So that was that. That goes for Uber, and they cut my internet off, and it is doing that. So when I try to call back to OnStar, it's just going to play a game. So okay, let's see if it's going to press again. Nope, not pressing again. Nothing is coming up. So let's see if we go to OnStar service. Same thing. Not working.
By continuing, you consent to this call being recorded and monitored for quality purposes. Thank
Thank you for calling OnStar. This is Mahi. How can I assist you?
Yeah, can you hear me? Hello?
Thank you for calling OnStar. This is Mahi. How can I assist you?
Can you hear me? Okay, so this is